Hello again, this is Terry, Astronomy 195 project. This project is going to be disassembling the Polaris telescope. It's recommended, the first thing is remove the eyepieces, loosen this screw, put the cap back on, remove our 90-degree viewer, pop that out, put the caps back on, next thing, here's the focus. The next thing we're going to do is pop this cap back on. The next step, remove the fine adjustment controls. And we'll package these. Next, let's remove our telescope. Unloosen these screws. Slide that out. Put our lens cover back on. Such. Package our telescope. The next thing we're going to do is remove the counterweight. You could actually leave this on if you wish, instead of completely disassembling the telescope. But we'll just assemble it completely, just for illustration. There's our counterweight. Next, we're going to disassemble the mount mechanism. This screw. Mount mechanism. Next, we can remove our tray. This screw. Tray. Then the next thing is we can collapse our tripod. Fold back in the legs, tighten. And the last one. Tight. That's how easy it is to disassemble completely the Polaris telescope. So there you have it. Thank you very much.